Hello students, in today's video I am going to take grade 5 maths. The topic is geometry. It comes under unit 3. Now in geometry today I am going to take subtopic identifying polygon, properties of 3D set, nets, angles in a triangle, translation, reflecting set and rotation on a grid. Now, first of all, we have to know what is geometry. Why we learn geometry? What is geometry? The branch of mathematics concerned with the properties and relation of points, lines, surface, solid and higher dimensional analogues. This is called geometry. In geometry, different types of figures comes, in which let us start with polygon. Let us identify polygon. What is polygon? Polygon is a 2D shape. What do you mean by 2D? Means two-dimensional shape. Two-dimensional shape means where there will be only length and breadth. Only length and breadth. Length and breadth. Two dimension, only two dimension. It can be drawn only in a paper, wall, ground, anywhere, means in two dimension. In this two dimension shape, polygon is close to this shape with three or more straight line. Three. We cannot draw any figure with two lines. If we are drawing any two line, we cannot draw a polygon. Two line, we cannot draw a polygon. We have to draw and start with three line. Suppose two line is here. If I am touching with this line, this will be called polygon shape. So three or more straight line. More means it may go to 10 also, 12 also. It depends on us. But for your grade 5, we'll just think about 10 side figure that is going to take out. Now let us think about some shapes. Let us talk about some shapes. What are the shapes in a polygon? Suppose take this rectangle shape, triangle, rectangle, square. Triangle means three side shape. Triangle. Quadrilateral means four side shape. Only four side. Length and breadth. And in triangle, side, side, side. Here is starting with three side, here four side. Quadrilateral, all will be having four side. Five side means pentagon, if there is five side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hexagon, octagon, decagon, decagon. All these are the name of the sides. You can refer in the text. Now, in this figure, we have to discuss and we have to know right angle, parallel side and a specific name. Suppose three side, as I told you, three side is called triangle. In triangle, there will be right angle triangle, where right angle is there. Isosceles triangle, where two sides are same. Equilateral triangle, where three sides are same. So these shapes all falls under polygon. In right angle triangle, only one right angle is there. Now what about in quadrilateral shape? In quadrilateral shape, there will be four right angle. Only in rectangle and square. We know rectangle, when you turn back, when it's straight, this is 90 degree. When you turn it back, like this slightly bent, it will be your parallelogram. Here, none of the angle is 90 degree. It will be of different measure. Square, when square is there, here also all the angles are 90 degree. Now this square, when you bend slightly, it is called rhombus. When it is straight, when it is in the square shape, all the angles are 90 degree, but when it is bent little, it become rhombus, and in rhombus, all the angles are not 90 degree, means none of the angles are 90 degree. It will be of different shape. Now suppose pentagon. If I am drawing like this pentagon, so here two of these angle are 90 degree. Means the line we know, we'll talk little bit more when we come in, when we discuss about subtopic angles in a triangle. Here for this, we'll take up only this much. Now think about parallel sides. What is parallel side? A line which is parallel. When it extends ahead, will never meet. That type of sides are called parallel side. In rectangle, this line and this line are called parallel. This line and this line are called parallel. In parallelogram also, this line and this line are parallel. Parallel means a line which will never meet when it extends ahead. And right angle, as you know, parallel side, you know now. Now, let us come property of 3D shape. We know 2D shape. These are all 2D shape. What about 3D shape? What is 3D shape? 3D shape which is having three sides, that is length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. This is length, this is breadth and this is height. Let us take example of this duster. Length is there, breadth is there and the height is there. It falls under 3D shape. But this paper do not fall under 3D shape, length and breadth only. So what is 3D shape? Which means is solid shape, solid figure, which falls under 3D. That is length, breadth and height is there, which is having face. This plane surface of this is called face. And when it becomes a figure, this joining place is called edge. And the joining corner, that is called corner, vertex, is called vertex, joining place. Means, let us take this again. This joining corner of this face and this face is called edge. Here also one edge, one edge, one edge. This face and this face joining this edge. Similarly, this face and this face joining this edge. So this is called edge, the corner of the faces. Now this point, joining point, this is called vertex. So how many vertex are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertex in a cuboid or cube. This is face, this is edge, this is vertex. So this one you have to keep in mind. Edge, face and the vertex, the corner. Vertex, edge and this type flat faces. It's called face. I think it is clear. Now let us go for net. Nets. It is there in your textbook in page number 34 and 35. Net means what is net? When we cut a paper in a similar set, suppose if I am taking 2 centimeter, so this side also I am taking 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter square of stripes, 2 join here and 1, 2, 3. It is given in the page number 34 and 1 here. Have you seen Ludo dice? Ludo dice. When you unfold the Ludo dice, it will be like this. It will look like this. It will look like this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like this. When any shape is cut in equal measurement, square measurement, and when it is folded, it becomes a 3D shape, and this is called your net. This is called net. Making a 3D shape is called net. You can practice it at home. Page number 35, so many are given. You can cut it with the measurement and fold it and see how it looks like. It's very easy. Now let us go for next topic, angles in a triangle. Now, angles in a triangle. We know now that there are different triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. So these triangles are having degree. Whenever triangle is there, it will be of 3 sides only, and measurement total degree of a triangle is 180 degree. So in equilateral triangle, when all the sides are same, that means when you divide this 180 degree by 3 sides, it will be 3 6 are 18, 0, 3 zeros are 0, that means 60 degree. That means each angle is 60 degree each. That means in equilateral triangle, each angles are 60 degree each. If suppose question is there, two of an equilateral triangle measure 120 degree, what is the measure of the third angle? So 120 degree minus from 180 degree, it comes 60 degree. Let us talk about another triangle. Suppose this is a triangle. This measurement is given 54 degree. This is given 45 degree. So what will be the measure of this angle? How to find out the measure of the third angle? So to find the measure of the third angle, we have to add these two angles, that is 54 plus 45, it becomes 99. And now this 99 should be subtracted from 180 degree. So from here taken 1, 10 minus 9, 1, here left 7, so 17 minus 9, 8. That means this is 81 degree. Now in order to know any measurement of any angles in a triangle, we have to follow this process to know the third angle. It may be isosceles triangle, or it may be equilateral triangle, or it may be scalene, or obtuse, or acute, whatever it may be. Now, translation. What is translation? Translation, in order to know the translation, we have to draw axis and coordinate. X-axis and Y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side, right hand side number, x-axis and y-axis upside number will be in positive, in plus sign. But when we move towards the left side, x-axis will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, and then down y-axis also will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. You can go ahead also. Now, this is called y-axis and this is called x-axis. Now, what is coordinate? Coordinate means the marking of the points. Suppose if I am writing minus 3, where is minus 3? Minus 3 is here. And again minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 3. When it is given in this form, whatever number it may be, either plus or minus, the first number will be your x-axis and the second number will be y-axis. So first we have to go for the x-axis. So x-axis is this one, where is minus 3 here with a dot. Next is y-axis. Y-axis also minus 3. So minus 3 is downside. So it's here. But we cannot put it here because this is here. So we have to bring it here, this line, and this line will join here. So this will be your minus 3 and minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. Now suppose 4 and minus 5. So 4 is x-axis, minus 5 is y-axis. X-axis 4, where is 4? Is here. Now 5 is y-axis, y-axis is where? Here, 5. So this will cross in this place. This will be your 4 and this will be minus 5. So it will become 4 minus 5. So this is translation. Putting the coordinates in the right place. Now let us go for the next, reflecting shapes. Reflecting shape, when we see mirror, we see ourselves in a reflection figure. Suppose this is your mirror. Now this reflecting shape, if I am drawing here in this 5 and 3, in the same way here 5 and 3, it should reflect, reflecting mirror. Same shape it will be seen that side also. Now suppose this is your mirror. If one figure is drawn in this form, so same way the figure should be also in that form. Reflection, that is reflecting shape. So in translation is to coordinate, and in translation similar face also can be drawn in the different coordinate, but it should be of same size. Translation, same figure. Suppose this is a line, and if I am drawing one triangle here, so same triangle can be joined in this form, or same triangle can be joined in this form. This is also called translation. This is also called translation, and this is also called reflecting shape. If it is coordinate are same, then it will be reflecting shape. And if it is different or same, it will be translation, comes under translation also. Now, reflecting shape always occur same to same figure through a mirror in between. Now, let us go for next subtopic called rotation on a grid. Suppose this is grid and any figure have to be rotated. So rotation should be either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise means how a clock moves from the right side, it goes on, and anti-clockwise means opposite direction from right side to go towards the left side. Now suppose if I am drawing here one figure from Now, when we turn this figure by 90 degree, this figure will turn like this. This vertical will turn by horizontal now. So this will be in this form and the figure will look like this. So rotation on a grid. How to rotate by 90 degrees. Suppose I am taking this figure, what I have tried to explain you in net. Suppose this figure I am putting here in horizontal, vertical and horizontal when it turns by 90 degree, when it is here by vertical. So when I am turning this one 90 degree, so it will fall and come in this x axis and it will looks like this. So this you have to practice at home to master it, and it's not necessary to make the figure in this shape only. Any figure you make it, either triangle or rectangle or heart shape or a pencil also, you can draw on pencil and this will fall. When it fall, vertical will fall and become horizontal. How it looks like, you check it out. It's depend on you, on your practice. Now, in today's video, we have learned how to identify a polygon. Polygon means 2D shape. Properties of 3D means 3D shape, length, breadth and height. Net, angles in a triangle. In a triangle, how many angles are there? 3 angles are there. How to find out one angle when 2 angles are given. Translation with similar shape coming again one after another. Reflecting shape. So reflection of the shape with the help of mirror. Rotation on a grid. How a figure is rotated on a grid. With this, I come to complete here this geometry portion. Thank you. Have a nice day.